to get this 5, they started here, which means they violated the order of operations. PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, parentheses, exponents, multiplying and dividing, but the thing about multiplying and dividing is this has to happen in order from left to right, how it comes up, and then adding and subtracting, the same thing, but all the multiplying and dividing has to happen first. In this case, they did the subtraction first, which is a violation. You can't do that. So this is the mistake right there, and that's the wrong answer. So where you start is right here. You've got to start with the multiplication, which means distributive property. So the 10 stays the same. And then we take this negative 5 times the 3x, and that's going to be a minus 15x. And we take this negative 5 times the negative 2, and that's going to give me a positive 10. Now be careful. I know you're thinking these might cancel out, but this 10 is positive. The negative is with the 15x. So I have negative 15x. 10 plus 10 is 20. And that is the correct answer. Here's the next one.